When NASA launches astronauts Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen on the Artemis 2 mission to the Moon, NASA's Orion spacecraft will protect them from many hazards they could encounter. One of those is space radiation. When astronauts travel in space, they can't see or even feel radiation. However, NASA scientists are studying the effects radiation plays on the human body and developing ways to monitor and protect against this silent hazard. Space radiation comes primarily from the sun, which accelerates particles through space with flares and coronal mass ejections. But space radiation also comes from high-energy galactic cosmic rays, or GCRs, which are particles coming from outside our solar system that are formed by events like collapsing stars. The largest potential threat is when astronauts are outside the spacecraft performing an extravehicular activity, or EVA, in space or on the surface of the Moon. We currently monitor changes to space radiation levels from both solar storms and GCRs thanks to NOAA's GOES satellites. EVAs can be rescheduled, and NASA has areas inside Orion where astronauts can take shelter during space weather storms. And that's been your Artemis Moon Minute.